In this video, I will show you a fast and free method to make money online promoting Clickbank offers, and that's by leveraging the power of AI and free traffic. Hey there, this is Amar from How to Web Work, and there will be three main steps in this method. The first one is finding the right offer on Clickbank to promote. We will try to get the offers that are selling right now at this moment and that are also new, not very known by the public, and that's to avoid competition. Second step, since most popular free traffic sources do not allow affiliate links, we are going to quickly create a free bridge page for our offer. And actually, I will give you free access to duplicate my design instantly, then adapt it and rebrand it with your own affiliate link. And actually, this is exactly the bridge page that you will be able to import instantly to your account, rebrand with your affiliate link, and of course, you can make any changes you want to adapt it to another offer. And finally, we are going to use the AI power and free traffic to send the traffic to our bridge page, and I will show you how to maximize your chances to receive lots of free traffic. So before we start working on this method, please don't forget to like the video, comment if you have any questions, and also subscribe if you are new to it. So the main idea is that instead of going to Clickbank directly and start searching for an offer to promote, what you can do actually is use this website here called cbengine.com. So you just go to cbengine.com and then you want to click on CB New Products. This will show you the new products that are on the marketplace, and you want to click on Gravity here twice actually to see. So some of the new products are already getting sales, as you can see here. So this is a new product that is getting sales, and the competition is very few, and you have the chance to leverage actually the free traffic sources that are very powerful. You will see later how I did rank an article in like few hours. Next step, you want to choose a product. Let's say that we are going to promote this product. Here you right click on it and then open it on a new tab, and you will see more details about this offer. As you can see, the rating is very good on the marketplace, and it has some gravity, and you can make an average commission per sale of $113. So you can directly get your affiliate link from here. If you click this button, you provide your nickname for Clickbank, you will get your hop link. You can also go to Clickbank Marketplace, and as you can see, this product is called Cerulean. Let's go to Clickbank Marketplace and search for the product, and as you can see, the same information is right here, and the gravity is a little bit up actually. Now let's go ahead and create our affiliate link for this offer. You have to click on this button here, promote, and put your Clickbank nickname here. If you have a specific traffic source that you want to track, you can put it here and then click create hop link. This is your affiliate link. Click copy, put it on a notepad. We will use it a little bit later. Now, just to show you how powerful this method is, I went to Google and I put actually this search here, Cerulean reviews, and I click enter. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see this article here. It has been posted on Medium 4 hours ago. So this article is ranking on page 1 of Google after 4 hours of being posted. And guess what? If I open it, this article here is actually mine, and then if I scroll down a little bit down at the end of the article, you will see that I am linking to the offer. So people who are searching for reviews might find my article, which is high quality article, and I will show you in a bit how to generate an article that is very high quality in a few minutes. I will show you a tool. So I'm linking to the offer here, and if anyone goes to this link here and makes the purchase, I will make a commission. And there are other traffic sources like this that I will show you in a bit. So the next step will be building your bridge page and then of course linking it to your affiliate link. So this design here was made by me on a tool that is called LeadsLeap that will allow you to create up to 10 pages for free. And I will leave a link in the description below for this tool. And I will also give you the share code to instantly import this same page to your account. And then of course you can do any changes you want to do and link your affiliate link to this button here. So anyone who clicks on this button goes to your affiliate link. And by the way, all the text that is on this page is brought from the affiliate page of that offer. So if you go back to your Clickbank account and find the offer, click affiliate page, you'll be brought to this page here, right here, where they provide lots of tools. Like you have here some emails, lots of emails. This text here is on my landing page. So if you go a little bit down, you will find also an email with an image in it, and you can also download the images of the product or the other images here about people using the product. But it's very important that you can read the terms of service, so you'll be able to do the promotion without falling in any troubles. So it's important to do that. Now back to the bridge page, you want to go and log into your LeadsLeap account, and once inside you want to find Page Manager on the left hand side here, and then you want to create a new page. You want to give it a name. Let me just call it Test 10, but you want to give it a name that has a sense, that has something to do with the offer that you are promoting, and then you click Add Now. Now the page will be created in a few seconds. You will see that. I'm providing you the share code below this video. All you have to do is click on this button here and then come to this spot here and paste the share code and click Import Now. So if I click Import Now, the page will be imported and it is already active. As you can see, test 10. If I click on this button here, you will see the same design that I did. You can of course make changes, add pictures or add anything, but the most important thing you want to do is link this button to your affiliate link, and this is exactly what I'm going to do now. So let's go back to LeadsLeap, and on your new page there is this button, Launch Editor. It will open the bridge page in the editor, and you want to select the button, go grab your affiliate link like this, copy it, and then make sure you select the right button, and then on the right side here it says button action. Go to website in a new tab, and here is the place where you want to stick your affiliate link like this. I just pasted it here, and then you click Save the Changes. So now this page has these headlines here and the button. Everyone that clicks on the button goes to your affiliate link. Now you want to copy the bridge page link, copy it and go back to the notepad and paste it. So instead of promoting directly your affiliate link from Clickbank, you'll be promoting your bridge page link. So this is the link that you are going to be promoting. And by the way, LeadsLeap allows you actually to put an opt-in form on that page, collect emails, and then send them to your affiliate link. So if you want to build a list around that topic of burning fat and losing weight, you can use that same page, add to it an opt-in page and collect emails and then send them to your affiliate link. If you don't know how to do that, please check the other videos on my YouTube channel. You will see that I have lots of videos that teaches you how to use LeadsLeap. And now it's time to produce our piece of content that we can post everywhere on free traffic sources to drive traffic to our bridge page. And the tool, the AI tool that I told you about is this one. It's called Hix.ai. So head to Hix.ai. You will not regret it. This is a very powerful tool. And once you log in inside, actually, you will be presented with a ton of tools that you can use to generate all kinds of content for all your needs. So what I like to do is go to long form article. Once there, you have multiple categories that are very useful for marketers, but the one we need today for this specific method is single product review, and then click on high quality mode. So now it will ask you a few questions. You want to give the name of the product you want a review for. So for the product name, I will just put Cerulean, and the primary keyword is the same thing. I will just paste it right here. Secondary keyword, I don't need to put it. The tone of voice, I like to put friendly or engaging. Those are very powerful. Language, English, and then you just click add reference article to go to the next step. So he will search online if there are any articles that he can actually reference. You choose any article and then you go to the next step, which is generating titles. So now it will work for a few seconds, generate a few titles. So here are the titles, and I like this one, Achieve Sustainable Weight Loss with Cerulean, a game-changing solution. So let's just select it and then click Generate Outline. It will take a few seconds to generate the outline and the content, and you will see that's something amazing. So here is the outline generated, and you can of course make changes here on the outline, but I like it the way it is. What is Cerulean? How does it work? Ingredients, the benefits, how to use it, etc., etc. So it's a full review article, and then you click Generate Article, and then you will see it go to work and start writing it. It's something that is really amazing, and the quality of content is really good. I'll give it some time to finish the article and then continue. And look at this, it generated a very long article with 2,478 words. It is a really complete review, and you can select actually this piece of content and go to Medium and post it there. You can also go to Reddit and post it there. Once on your Medium account, it's very easy. You just click this button here, right? And then you put the title, and then you put the rest of the article here. You can of course continue formatting it, but it's very important to link to your bridge page at the bottom of the article. So let's go grab the title of the article that was generated. It's Achieve Sustainable Weight Loss with Cerulean, a game-changing solution. Let's just copy it, go back to Medium. Where is my Medium? Is this one? Yeah. So let's just paste it here. This is the title of the article. Now I'm going to grab the rest of the article and paste it below. So let's copy everything from here. Very long article, very nice for a review. People will know everything they need to know before buying. That's very good. And then go back here and Control V to paste the article, and as you can see, it is already formatted. Maybe you want to remove these points here, these dots. You do just like this. A few changes that you want to do, and at the very bottom of your article, you want to add a sentence, like for example, click here for more information. And this line here, sorry, it was capital letters, I didn't check, but this is what you want to use as a link. So you go grab your bridge page like this, and then you select this call to action and click on this button here, and then you want to make a link. So let me click on it here, Control V. I just pasted the link and press enter. So now this sentence here is clickable and takes to your bridge page. Now let's go to the top of the article. What I want to do is add an image, and since I already downloaded the images provided in the affiliate resources page, I'm just going to create a space here, click the plus button, click the image button, and then grab one of those images. So my image is here. The formatting of the article is acceptable. So I just removed those dots, like I missed a few dots here. Let's keep this organized. Let's remove this. go all the way down. This one needs to go away, and this one, and this one, and we are almost done. Let's go to the conclusion, and this is it. So I'm just going to publish. Now when I publish, it will ask me which topics or which publications I want to publish my articles under. So I'm typing keywords that have something to do with weight loss. So I just type weight loss. I have this group here which is 102,000 people reading here. So let's put, for example, fat burn for fat burning tools. This one is good as well. And then for example, fitness is good as well, fitness tips. And you put, I think, up to 5. You can put up to 5 and then publish now, and your article will be published on Medium. So this is how you do it. I mean, there is also Reddit, which is a very good website that ranks very fast on Google. And I just for example, this article I published 6 hours ago, as you can see here, 6 hours ago. And if I refresh it and go all the way down, I have 85 views. 6 hours earlier, and I already have 85 views. That's very, very good. So Medium, Reddit, if you apply this method for multiple days, you will see results. Thank you very much for making it so far. Please don't forget to like the video. All the resources are also in the description. And if you have questions, ask me in the comment section. See you on the next one.